Welcome and thank you for stopping by. If this is your first time here, my name is Unwana Udoh. Every week I share great content on how you can improve your personal finance and grow your wealth. The topic today is, why you struggle with money. Please watch till the end to see the number one reason why we all struggle with money. Before we continue, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification button so YouTube reminds you of any new videos. Let's begin. Our beliefs about money come from our parents, teachers, and other adults in our lives. And it goes back even further, beyond them, back to their life experiences, or what they learned from their parents. These beliefs are embedded in our subconscious mind until we break free from them. Beliefs about money are many and varied, however, I've learned that there are a few that dominate our everyday lives. Number 8. Money is scarce. Most of us have parents or grandparents who lived through the Great Depression, an era that had an entire generation living in scarcity. These people passed on to their children the idea that money was in short supply and spending had to be limited and saving money was vital. Some common slogans from Mama: a penny saved is a penny earned, don't dip into savings, or we can't afford it. Better yet, money doesn't grow on trees. These create a fearful relationship with money. Number 7. Money is evil. A vast majority of us have parents or grandparents who believe that money is the root of all evils. They've only experienced the setbacks of the rat race, the downside of working for money. Some believe that wealthy people are bad. Movies often portray wealthy people as villains, crooks, greedy, and evil. Number 6. Money comes monthly. The most common way to make a living is to be employed, either with a company or as a skilled professional, with a weekly, monthly, or annual income. Except for the outrageous exceptions, the CEO of an average company making six figures a year will still experience some bad relationship with money. We are told that slow and steady wins the race. Unfortunately, in the world of personal finance and wealth creation, these fables create a cautious relationship with money. Number 5. Money is not for me. Some people believe they don't deserve to be wealthy or that there is only so much money to go around. Creating wealth and financial freedom is accessible to anyone. It is your right to be wealthy. My mission is to share enough knowledge with my audience so that they understand that they deserve a better life. By making money, you are not taking it from someone else, but rather you are contributing to society, and it's your duty. Number 4. Money is a manly thing. There was a time when men were the main breadwinners of the family. That was not so long ago, and most of you may have grown up during these times. Men tend to earn more money than women and are more likely to invest than women. Women and men must understand that money does not discriminate because of gender. Such perceptions create a bad relationship with money. Number 3. Money is therapy. Some people live on a retail therapy. There's no issue a new handbag can't cure. Presently, we live in a culture of consumerism, and most of us use money as therapy. Some of us grow up with a sense of entitlement, relying on credit, parents, or a trust fund to pay for everything. This is a vicious cycle. The new car gets old, the closet fills up with clothes, and the toys pile up in the playroom. We are constantly being bombarded with advertising messages which create a poor relationship with money. If you feel that you have gotten value so far, please hit the like button so that YouTube's algorithm spreads this message. Number 2. Money is a menace. For many people, money is a problem. They try keeping up with the Joneses at the peril of their finances. Money can be such a burden, not to mention all the work involved in managing money. These views of money create a perception that money is a problem and not the solution. It's hard enough to survive, let alone thrive. Such pessimism creates a negative relationship with money. Number 1. Talking about money is taboo. Most of us are brought up believing that conversations about money are taboo. Money, financial success, and failures are considered personal subjects that shouldn't be discussed. We never discuss with our parents how much money they made, and even now, there are people who don't know how much their spouse earns. These have unintended consequences and created a world where very few people are having real conversations about money and finances. This creates ignorance when it comes to money. Unless your parents made a conscious effort to think and act differently with money, they most likely conditioned you to have the same poor mindset about money. If you make a decision to break this cycle, you will have the opportunity to teach your children to have a more productive belief about money. In order to address why you struggle with money, you must change your mindset by doing the following. 1. Go from money is scarce to money is abundant by developing a better relationship with money. 2. Go from money is evil to money is good by having a hands-on relationship with money. 3. Go from money comes monthly to money comes from multiple sources by creating money-making opportunities. 4. Change money is not for me to, I deserve money by developing an empowered relationship with money. 5. Change money is a manly thing to I will have a better understanding of money, and how to create more money. 6. Change money is therapy to money is a tool to help make my life better. 7. Change money is a menace to money is a solution and create a positive relationship with money. 8. Change talking about money is taboo to talking about money is critical, and spend more time increasing your knowledge of money. If you found value in this video, please share it with friends and family, and let's grow my channel together. The next video on the screen contains more information you are going to love. Click and watch that video now and I will see you there.